place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delprat family. The Delprat family. The Delprat family. The Delprat family. The Delprat family.
Okay guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom and a den. So each unit is 1,400 square foot. And the lot sizes can vary from 6,000 to 8,000 square foot. So come, let's look at the den first. Now this is the den, and what I like about this is the uniqueness of the roof. I do like that. I like the shape of the roof. So the fans and other ceiling fixtures that you'll be seeing in this unit, they will be also included in the purchase price. So they're included in the unit when you get it. Alright, so this is the den. And I like it. It's a decent size, and it can easily be converted into another bedroom if you so desire. Or an office space, or a girls' animal spot, or a boys' den. Right?
Alright, so we are actually in an active construction site, which is good news for you guys. Alright guys, so let me show you the master bedroom.
Yeah.
This is it. Alright, it's not staged as yet. Alright, because as we say guys, we are ahead of the stream. Alright, so the staging, the furnishing is not done as yet. But nonetheless, you can have a look, right? And just imagine your king size bed set, your bedside table, lamps and everything, all set out, right? They already have the ceiling fan up, right? They already have the moldings, right, for the base, and the windows are molded as well. Right? Still, as I said, not completed, so there's some touch-up work to be done, but the beauty you can definitely have a feel of what it will be when they're complete construction. Guys, just interrupting your video for a brief minute just to tell you about Ship East Couriers. They are the couriers that we use to get all our packages to Jamaica from overseas. So whenever we order on the internet, whether it be Amazon or any other popular website, we always use Ship East. Just register for their service on their website, shipeastcouriers.com. Alright guys, you can also follow them on Instagram. Right, link will be in the description, guys. Ship East Couriers. They also do shipping for barrel from overseas. Alright guys, straight to your door here in Jamaica. Reach out to them, shipeastcouriers.com, the place to go.
We're onto the master bath, and this is it. What I do like about this, which is very unique, is that we have extra spacing in the bathroom. So you do have your extra storage areas, which is really nice, especially if you're a female and you can nicely arrange all of the stuff in the rooms. I love the vanity as well, that you can basically have area as well to store away your stuff. And yeah, I like the finishing. So this is actually attractive. This is a nice fixture as well. That's very nice. I like the design, but you have to watch your step when you're going in. Yeah. So this is your walk-in shower right here, and you have a little
closet.
Space right here. Yes. You can do stuff with. Use your imagination as well for these areas, and you have your extra storage up there. I would use it for extra storage, like. Yeah, I'm all about storage. Yeah, so the tile, so I love the neutral tones that is being used right here. It's clean, nice design and everything. So definitely. Yeah. And the size is good. So you can actually fit your king bed here. So accompanying the master bedroom, you also have a walk-in closet.
Nice.
And voila.
Yeah, it's big.
Yes, so you do have space in here to make all your arrangements in your closet organizers, and yeah, and you have your fans in the room already. So just moving.
Yeah, this knockdown finishing the ceiling looks good.
Yeah,
I like it,
I like it too.
Yeah.
So let's look at the living room and the kitchen. So the living room, this is a open concept area, and of course you have the vaulted ceilings. You do have your fan here in the central area and your 2 chandeliers, which will come with the unit. So as you see, it's an open concept. You have your living room area, your dining area, and your kitchen. You have an island in the kitchen, typical for a lot of the developments these days.
Yeah.
So definitely you have your island, and you have, I would say, more of a cream marble. But I do like the spacing. I think that this area is wider than you would normally find in a lot of these other developments as well, in terms of the width. So you can actually fit a lot more here, more comfortably.
Correct, because after the refrigerator, you put it either here or to the side, and then you have plenty of space otherwise. It's quite wide.
Yes.
And I guess owing to the 1400 square feet layout, that's why it's this wide.
Yeah. Alright, so we have 2 bedrooms this side that Mr. Delprat will show you. Utilities box that you can put your nice artwork over. So this is bedroom number 2.
Yes.
And we start with the ceiling fan and the knock-down roof.
The space in the room is standard, right? This is probably for like the kids' room. They have 2 additional rooms apart from the master, so the kids can utilize these, right? And they'll be very comfortable. Again, the base moldings going all around, right?
Exactly.
They already have the wiring pre-done, the wiring for cable and internet already pre-done.
And I like the fact that all the windows are tinted.
Yes.
And you have your closet. So the closet is not the walk-in closet in the master bedroom, but it is a good size closet, and they're definitely utilized.
Right, and the fixture is not yet completed, so they haven't yet put in the hangers and stuff like that just yet. Because as we're saying, guys, it's an active construction site, and it's a work in progress right now.
Yes, so remember, guys, that you saw it first at the Delprat family.
Yes.
Alright, so we're off to the second bathroom.
Yes. Right.
And this bathroom is shared between room number 2 and 3.
Yes.
Still not fully constructed. We have our vanity right here. I love the fact that drawers are there again, so you can have your storage. Ooh, this is nifty.
Yeah. It sounds solid when it's opening, yes, definitely.
Yes, it is. It's solid. It's solid. And there's organization in these drawers as well. So we have your tub, and we still have the same natural tone tiles in this room as well. And your tub. Yes. So this bathroom actually has a lot of spacing in it. I do like the spacing. You can literally turn, walk around. A couple people can fit
for a second bathroom.
For a second bathroom.
True.
Which typically you find a smaller bathroom in a lot of these units. Now right here you have your laundry area. And once again, you can include your cupboards up again. You can add cupboards up ahead to store all your stuff and put your machines right here. You already have your utilities plug right there, your water outlets right there as well, hot and cold, ready for you just to install. So that is really nice.
So this one is slightly bigger than the other one, the other room to the back.
Yes, because the area is taken out of the space and you have all this. Right? And of course you can utilize up above. I would expose it and add more storage area. So this is also bedroom number 3 with the base molding and everything.
And of course these fixtures, they continue throughout.
Yes.
Alright.
Definitely.
I know, we know a lot of development, and most developments don't come with these kind of fixtures. Right? You have to add that. This is what the outside looks like. Not a lot of the developments around I've seen with this particular type of design.
Yeah.
Alright, on the exterior, you have your lighting on the outside, which adds a nice, elegant appearance to the house. The ceilings are aluminum tone coated tiles, yeah, so you can definitely look around. You have trowel lawn finish that it's trending now here, especially here in Jamaica. The trowel lawn finish is trending. Looks good. Yeah man, we really like this. It will definitely be a very nice development. Guys, I think they really utilize the space very well.
Yeah.
Right, this layout that they came with, right, they enabled the prospective owners to have a lot of space on the inside.
Yes.
Right, so they have all of 4 bedrooms. But looking from the outside, it doesn't look.
One den.
Oh yeah, you will have all of 3 bedrooms plus a den, which can convert to an extra bedroom space if you wish.
Yes.
All right, and you will have definitely have a nice space in at the back.
Yes.
That you can use for entertaining a family.
This development will feature approximately 120 units on gently sloped land, which will negate the risk of flooding. Look out for this development, guys. It was so great having you tuned into our video. Remember to share this video and other content from our channel with those you think may enjoy this content, and give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. The settings should be on all.